the feedback what we got from the lot of buyers has been amazing, and the lot of new market trends, the oversize what we have to look into it, and how to materialize that business, and to understand the relationship of Indian buyers and as well as the Indian clients is quite tactical compared to the world what we have got. Definitely the 2025 theme, the Luxury Tribe theme, was all about the experience. And it's no more about the luxury, or it's not about the distinct. It's all about the experience. That's something I think we need to highlight more into in near future, because that's the main theme or main goal for the all travelers who are looking for the best experience in other around the world, and even in the Al Maha Desert Resort and Spa. What I've seen from the Ilium conference is that there's a lot of, we always highlight big cities, metro cities such as Mumbai or Delhi, but we never concentrate on the other part of city, where I just learned that 47% of the potential we have from the other part of states, which we have to tap in, and which I think we have a great potential to connect with the buyers from, or travel designers from those markets or those states. We need to tap in. And secondly, also the wedding. I never knew there was 100,000 weddings do occur every month in India, throughout the India. But that was something fascinating. But again, something like, I know there's a quite good potential in terms of wedding, what they look for, and we know we need a lot of there's a lot of cultural elements do include. So as a resort itself, for me to next step to understand, so next whenever I quote what I need to include, so these are the main factors which will help the clients, where you meet a potential buyers, where you build relationship with travel designers, and where you gain more potential about the business markets and the market trends as well.